Maharashtra's struggle against COVID-19 crisis still continues. The state recorded 31,855 COVID cases in the last 24 hours, the highest since the pandemic. It has over 230,000 active cases currently. The state also recorded as many as 95 new deaths, taking the total death toll to 53,684 in the state. Mumbai recorded over 5,100 cases alone on Thursday, the highest since the outbreak. Case fatality rate in the state is 2.9%. In fact, the centre has confirmed that dual mutations found in the country, especially Maharashtra, could be the possible reason behind the 17% rise in COVID-19 cases since the 1st of March. According to the Health Ministry, dual mutations were found in 206 samples across the state of Maharashtra. Now, we do know that Maharashtra is seeing a surge in COVID-19 cases, and experts there suggesting that the mutant strain could be the reason for a faster spread of the cases of COVID-19. In fact, several curbs have also been put in place in Maharashtra only to ensure the clamping of the spike. But yet, despite some of the measures that have been taken, we're still looking at cases on the rise. Now, I'm going to take you through all those curbs that have been put in place in Maharashtra, particularly Mumbai. Let's take you through. We're looking at a negative COVID report, which is now made mandatory, necessary before you visit any mall in Mumbai. Antigen tests at malls, quite compulsion there. If you don't have a negative test already, you've got to take a negative test report with you. In fact, we're looking at crowded places now. They might just call you for a random test. You've got to be prepared with a negative antigen report. Antigen tests at railway stations also, as well as bus stops, now made mandatory. Now, lockdown in Nagpur until the 31st of March has been reported. We're looking at Pune. Schools, colleges have been closed. Also, night curfew in place in Pune. Thane, 16 hotspots under lockdown. In fact, night curfew in Amravati and Akola has been reported. Nashik, partial lockdown has been reported. In Nashik, shops open between 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. In Nashik, no gathering post March 15th. Now, Aurangabad, we're looking at a partial lockdown on weekends. Again, complete lockdown on weekends. Shops open between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. Lockdown from March 25th and April 4th. In fact, Nanded, shops to open from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Where Bede, the lockdown will be implemented from March 26th to April 4th. These are the measures that have been taken across of Maharashtra. Let me quickly take you through all those updates there coming in from Mumbai. Pankaj Upadhyay bringing us those details. Pankaj, over to you. We're looking at curbs that have been put in place across. Now, what exactly do we mean here when we say you need an negative antigen report if you're in a crowded place? What, are Maharashtra police actually picking up people randomly from middle of the crowd and asking for a rapid antigen negative report?
Good morning. So as far as Mumbai and Maharashtra are concerned, the COVID situation continues to remain grim, as the central government has also said that out of the 10 districts which have the maximum concentration of the active cases, 9 are from Maharashtra, which includes Mumbai as well. Mumbai made yet another record of sorts when it crossed the 5,000 mark. And the BMC now has already said that there are going to be no Holi celebrations, be it public or in private places. It is also contemplating whether the beaches in Mumbai, especially the Juhu beach, should be sealed for the people, because that's one place which is seeing a lot of public movement in the evening hours. Now, at the same time, as you asked about the rapid antigen tests, what the BMC has done is, in all the crowded places, which includes malls, bus stops, hotels and restaurants, it has said that it is conducting random rapid antigen tests. So the BMC marshals could pick on randomly on people, and they are asked to give their swab test. All those people who refuse will be considered as offenders as well. But when it comes to mall, it is good if you have a negative RT-PCR report, then there's going to be no problem. But again, when you are entering a mall, if you don't have a negative RT-PCR report, the marshals can ask you to undergo a rapid antigen test. BMC says that most of the time asymptomatic patients roam around in the crowded places and they become super spreaders as well. And that's precisely the reason why such measures have been put into place. Additionally and importantly, the BMC has also said that it is going to increase the testing pace now. From 20,000, it has really reached 40,000 testing per day, and it now wishes to reach the mark of 50,000 as well. So perhaps because of the increased number of testing, this could be one of the reasons why the city is witnessing increased number of cases. But yesterday itself, the BMC raised an alarm on social media, telling the people that numbers are rising very sharply and people need to abide by the rules that have been set out by the state government and have a proper COVID behavior.
Thank you very much, Pankaj, for joining us with those details. Here, Maharashtra government now looking keenly into those people, randomly tests being carried out across the state, in fact, Mumbai particularly.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.